Okay, so we are here today to talk about physics, astronomy, and biomedical physics. Hello, everybody. I'm the chair of the physics and astronomy department and also a professor of physics and doing research in the biophysics area. To tell a little bit about what physics is the most fundamental science we have. So physics can be applied to many, many different fields. Our students go to physics graduate school, to engineering, to medical school, pharmacy, work in industry, become computer scientists. They do just about anything you can mention. Some of them even work in banks and make a lot of money there. It's a great field. You learn amazing skills if you become a physicist or an astronomer or a biomedical physicist. So these are our three primary programs. Don, our advisor, will talk to you a little bit more about that. But those are the programs that we have, and they all have like multiple options within them. So we pride ourselves to really make sure that you can find your path that really you want to do that leads to the career you want. So we have many different options: pre-medical options, applied physics options, engineering physics options, all kinds of different options, astrophysics, all kinds of cool stuff. I give it over to Dawn. She can tell you a little bit more about the programs.
Thank you, Peter. My name is Dawn Niedermiller, and as mentioned, I'm the undergraduate academic advisor for the Department of Physics and Astronomy. So if you're pursuing a major or a minor in physics, astronomy, astrophysics, or biomedical physics, or even a minor in geophysics, I'm here along with faculty to help guide you and support you as you successfully achieve your goals. We also have what's called, in addition to our many different combinations of programs, majors and minors, we also have something called an A-grade program. It's an accelerated graduate program that with just one additional year beyond your Bachelor's of Science degree, you can obtain a master's degree. So that is something that is very popular, and we've had great success with that program, and our students have gone on to do some really great things. We also have our biomedical physics program. Just a quick note about that. Many students who are going into pre-medicine, going on to medical school, participate in this program, major in it. And in biomedical physics, we have a pre-med track, we have a biophysics track, and also a medical physics track. So some great choices there as well. Again, we have many, many different choices. So I'd welcome the opportunity to talk to you about that if you're interested. We have a very welcoming department, and I'm not just saying that. Our faculties, professors are very accessible to you, and they're very engaged in your student success. Beyond helping you plan your classes as an advisor, I'm here to also help you maximize your degree. This can be anything that's related to preparing for your future. We want to see that as you, go through the pathway of your bachelor's degree, that we give you opportunities, help you find opportunities for research, for internships. And regardless of what you plan to do after your bachelor's degree, whether it be going straight into the job market or having a career or going on to graduate school, we want to make you competitive. So that's the most important thing, that as you graduate, you can pursue your goals, what you want to do. So we're here to help you do that. I'm also, you can probably tell, I'm very proud of my students and their accomplishments. I'm also very proud of our student-run organization, our student chapter of the Society of Physics Students. We have, for the past 6 consecutive years, been awarded an outstanding SPS chapter award. And our students have regular meetings, we have events, and we really have a strong sense of community in this department. So if you'd like more information about our department or specifically about our programs, I welcome you to contact me. Again, my name is Dawn, and you'll see my email address there, but it is aa-alpha9216@wayne.edu. And we can even set up a virtual appointment if you like. So I hope to see you in our department sometime soon. And with that, I'll turn it over to Bill.
Thank you, Dawn. Dawn is really wonderful. Everybody loves Dawn. She helps all the students get the most out of their degrees. I do research and I teach also, but I do research and I want to tell you a few words about the research that we do. Um, because it's just so much fun, and we always try to find opportunities for our undergraduates to get involved in research projects so they can learn about the fun stuff in the field and not just things sliding down planes. We do research in high energy nuclear and particle physics, both on the experimental and the theory side. We have many people doing studies on condensed matter and materials, biophysics, astronomy, atomic physics. We basically have active research going on um, in all subfields of experimental and theoretical physics. We do research at national laboratories and we do it in our own building. We have many interesting devices in our own building. And one of the things we always like to do is to set up tours for people like you to come and visit and to see how excited we are and to see for yourself whether you may be interested in that topic. It's been a little hard for us to organize these tours, what with the pandemic, but we're looking forward to doing that, and I would be very happy to set up a tour for you. And but please get a hold of any of us, and we'll keep you in the loop for things like that. We also have, when you come here as a student, we have things like the Richard Barber interdisciplinary research program. We have a light microscopy summer research program, which is really, really fun. We have the Zawada telescope in the American Southwest, which is completely remote controlled. And we have students and professors here doing real publishable research using our remote controlled telescope. But overall, we all do research here, and we all love it, and we find ourselves at the cutting edge of some of the most interesting questions, and it's just so much fun to contribute to that, to be one of the few people in the world that knows something because you measured it yourself. And we're so excited, and we're sure that you will be too. And so we're standing in front of you now offering our help. If there's any questions you have, is there anything we can do to help you on your journey as a scientist through life? Please let us know, even if it's just a question about some science article you read and it's not about school at all. We're happy to chat with you and we'd love to get to know you better. So let us know how we can help you. And Dawn gave her email address. Mine's a little harder, but probably better if you just went to our homepage at Wayne State and went to the physics department. And at the top there is a link to all the faculty and staff. And if you scroll there, you'll find Peter's address and mine, and also Dawn's. So it's been a pleasure talking with you, and we all hope to meet you soon. And come to Wayne State. We think you'll love it. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.